Welcome to Yoga with me. I'm Lina. I have a relaxing bedtime yoga for you. This is a bedtime sequence that is sure to help you to get a restful night's sleep and also just let go of your day and transition into the evening. You might want to keep a pillow and blanket handy if you're on the mat or you can do this in bed. So put on something comfortable and let's get started. So come on your mat with your eyes closed. Just take a deep breath, and as you breathe out, just allow your shoulders to drop. Breathe in, and as you breathe out, feel your whole body just relaxing, letting go of your day, becoming present on the mat. Taking another deep breath in and just breathing out. And then gently opening your eyes and just doing some shoulder rolls one way. Slowly, gently. And then rolling the other way. Maybe doing a neck roll one way. And then the other way, taking your time. No need to rush as you're letting go of your day, allowing the tension and stress to just float away in the distance. Do one more neck roll. Really slowly, gently. And then coming to the center. And then just closing your eyes, maybe bringing your hands bringing your heart, bringing your hands to your heart. And just feeling complete peace in your body. Maybe bringing your head down, and as you do, just allowing any tension to float away. And then bringing your head up slowly. And then bringing your legs out in front of you and just stretching up, pushing your tailbone down and just coming down. Now you might be here, you might come down here, you might even come down here, and just taking a deep breath in. And as you breathe out, just folding forward, just going as far as you can. There's no such thing as a perfect pose, just as long as you feel a stretch. And then coming up slowly. And then bringing one foot against your inner thigh. And then just stretching up again. Push your tailbone down. And then just coming over, feeling a beautiful stretch on the side of your body. Nice deep breath in. Remember, just go as far as you can and just breathe out. And then you're going to just use the other hand and stretch up. And then coming down, let's do the other leg. Again, breathing in, stretching up, push your tailbone down, and just coming over. Remember, go as far as you can. So you might be here, or you might be here, feeling a beautiful stretch on the side here. Breathe. Maybe take a nice deep breath in. Maybe go a bit more forward as you breathe out, and then stretching up and feeling that beautiful stretch as you stretch up and then coming down. And then bringing your feet into butterfly, just bringing your feet together. Maybe give your feet a little massage. Feels good, right? Sometimes I love using essential oils. Things like lavender is really relaxing. You can use that. You punch your feet, give them a good squeeze, put your whole weight on your body, standing on them all day. Give them a nice massage, a lot of love and appreciation for your feet. And then just stretching up and coming down. So you might just be here, or you might be here. Just nice deep breathing, feeling a beautiful stretch on the back of your neck, your back, your lower back. Just breathe. Ease off if you need to, if it's too much, or breathe in, and as you breathe out, maybe you want to go a bit further. And then coming up. And then using your pillow as you come down, just placing your head on the pillow and again bringing your legs in butterfly. Now you can have your arms at the side. You can even bring them over if that's comfortable for you. Just taking a few deep breaths here. Breathing in all the way to your belly. Breathing out and just releasing any tension, feeling the stretch on your inner thigh. One more nice deep breath in. And as you breathe out, just allowing your body to relax. And then bringing your legs to the center. And just do a gentle stretch. Maybe you want to place your arms to the side. So you're just going to take knees over. You might want to take your head over to the opposite direction. Maybe do some hip rolls here. Really just gentle circles one way. And then the other way. Gently, slowly, just going at your own pace. And then bringing your legs, bringing your knees to the center, head to the center. Knees fall in the opposite direction, head goes in the opposite direction. Just feeling a beautiful stretch on your hip. Might even just want to push it forward a little bit and do some hip circles here, rotations, one way and then the other way. And then bringing your knees and head to the center. And then maybe bringing your knees into your chest. You might want to bring your feet and hands together. This is called happy baby. Just stretching your legs one way and the other way, or both together, just feeling a beautiful stretch on the inside legs. Just a beautiful stretch. Coming back into hugging your knees. And then slowly bringing your feet onto the mat. And then just bringing your legs out. Now you can just fall asleep here if you're already in bed. Or just rest here for a while. I'm going to leave you here. If you enjoyed this practice, subscribe, share it with another person who might benefit. I'm going to leave you here now in Savasana. If you're in bed, you can roll into. I'm going to leave you here now in Savasana. So if you enjoyed this practice, subscribe so I can continue making free videos on YouTube. If you felt some benefit, do share with somebody else who would also benefit. And I look forward to practicing with you again. So until next time, namaste. Wishing you all a wonderful night's sleep. Namaste.